Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Programming with Akash. I hope that you are doing great and ready to learn something new. We are continuing with Python fundamentals and we were discussing bare bones of a Python program, that is, the basic structure of a Python program in the last video. Let's continue our discussion. The next topic is Python style rules and conventions. While working in Python, one should keep in mind certain style rules and conventions. The following are some very elementary and basic style rules. The first one is the statement termination. Python language does not use any symbol to terminate a statement. When you end a physical code line by pressing the enter key, the statement is considered terminated by default. So there is no other symbol that is being used by Python to denote the termination of a statement. When we press the enter key, the statement is considered to be terminated by default. The second one is the maximum line length. The line length should be a maximum of 79 characters. The next point is lines and indentation. Blocks of code are denoted by line indentation, which is enforced through 4 spaces, not tabs, per indentation level. We already know about the indentation and its use to denote different blocks of code, and that is enforced through a total of 4 spaces per indentation level. The next one is the blank lines. Use 2 blank lines between top level definitions and 1 blank line between method or function definitions. Therefore, the function and method should be separated with 2 blank lines and class definition should be separated with 3 blank lines. We should avoid multiple statements on one line. Although we can combine more than one statements in one line using the symbol semicolon between 2 statements, but it is not recommended. It also degrades the readability of a program. White spaces. You should always have white spaces around operators and after punctuation, but not with parentheses. Python considers these 6 characters as white spaces. The first one is a space. The second one is /n, which is a new line character. Third one is /t, that is a horizontal tab. Fourth one is /v, a vertical tab. Then comes /f, which is the form feed character. And lastly we have /r, which is the carriage return. The next point is Python is case sensitive. Therefore, case of statements is very important. We have to be very careful while typing the code and identifier names. Next one is the docstring convention. Conventionally, triple double quotes are used for docstrings. And what are docstrings? We have already learnt about them in the previous video. They are the multi-line strings. Then we have the last point, which is the identifier naming. We must use underscores to separate words in an identifier. Example, loan underscore amount. Or we can use camel case by capitalizing first letter of each word. Example, loan amount starting with a capital L and a capital A in between for amount, or loan amount starting with a small l and a capital A for amount. I hope that you were able to learn about Python rules and conventions through this video. If you like the content, do give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a small notification bell beside the subscribe button. Do click on that. It will enable you to receive notifications of any video that will be released on my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.